Hi everyone, welcome you all to my channel. Today we are going to study about codominance. So guys, you know there are three types of dominance: complete, incomplete and codominance, right? So in the complete dominance, you have seen that the progeny is similar to one of the parent, right? So this is a parent generation, these are the gamete, and this is F1 generation. So you can see the F1 generation, the progeny is similar to one of the parent. So these are the tall plants are crossed with dwarf plant. So in the F1 generation we get only tall plants. Okay, so you know that this allele is dominant over this allele. Okay, capital T is dominant over the small t. Right, so this is complete dominance. Here you can see the progeny is similar to one of the parent. Whereas in incomplete dominance, when we talked about Enterohynomagus plant, then we have seen the red color flower when crossed with white color flower, then the progenies are having pink color flower. Okay, so here in the F1 generation, the progeny which is formed is an intermediate to both the parents. ठीक है, इसका कुछ मिक्सिंग मिलती है हमें F1 जनरेशन में जब हम इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस की बात करते हैं. But when we talk about codominance, here you can see the progeny in F1 generation is similar to both the parents. Okay, here the progeny is similar to both the parents. दोनों parents जैसे ही दिखता है. So let's see the example here. You can see this is a red color cattle. This cattle when crossed with a white color cattle, then in the F1 generation we get a cattle which is having the patches of both the colors. Okay, so you can see that both the alleles are dominant, right? दोनों ही allele dominant है. इसीलिए cattle is having the patches of red as well as white. So this is codominance. जब दोनों ही allele dominant होती हैं और वो अपने आप को show करती हैं, express करती हैं in F1 generation, then this is called codominance. Okay, let's read this. The alleles when present together in an individual express their traits independently instead of showing dominant recessive relationship, right? So here the alleles are showing their traits independently. No one is recessive, no one is dominant. Okay, both are showing their traits, means we can say that both are dominant, right? So both the alleles express their phenotypes. So let's see a very good example of codominance is blood grouping in human population. And the gene which control blood group is I gene. So this gene is having three alleles, IA, IB and IO. Okay. अब हम बात करते हैं these two alleles की, A and B. These are the dominant ones. ठीक है, whereas this allele is recessive. ठीक है. So suppose the father is having the blood group A and the mother is having the blood group B, then can you tell what would be the this genotype, or we can say what would be the blood group of the son or whatever the daughter? What you can say here, the blood group is AB, right? Because both the alleles are dominant, so both are showing their traits. So here the blood group is what? The blood group is AB. Guys, is it clear to you? So this is codominance. Okay. Now here let's see. You know that the blood group A, the person who is having the blood group A, in their red blood cell, antigen A is present. ठीक है, जिस पर्सन का ब्लड ग्रुप ए होता है उनके रेड ब्लड सेल्स पे एंटीजन मीन्स एक प्रोटीन होती है, दैट इज एंटीजन ए टाइप की. ठीक है, अगर ब्लड ग्रुप कैसा है, बी है, ये ए ब्लड ग्रुप है, ठीक है, ये बी ब्लड ग्रुप है, तो इस पे जो एंटीजन प्रोटीन है वो कौन सी है, बी है, राइट। अब जिसका ब्लड ग्रुप ए बी है, द पर्सन इज हैविंग द ब्लड ग्रुप ए बी, उस केस में एंटीजन कौन सी है, ए बी है, बी भी है, राइट। ए एंड बी, both the antigens are present when the blood group is AB. Now suppose a person having the blood group O, then which antigen is there? No antigen, none, right? So detail में हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे इसके बारे में. So here we just talked about codominance. तो codominance में आपने क्या देखा कि F1 generation में both the alleles are expressing their traits, means both the alleles are dominant. Hope it is clear to you. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and give your valuable feedback.